SPCNs as we celebrate the first Octomon with the theme Virtus. We proudly highlight individuals within our community who lived out the values of righteousness, faith, love, steadfastness, and gentleness. This month, we are thrilled to feature an exceptional SPCN who exemplifies what it means to be a value-laden individual.
Hi, my name is Jerome Baradas. I am currently working as a public engagement director in an international organization focused on biodiversity. I had my grade school here at San Pablo Colleges. I graduated in 2005, but I've been a part of the SPC community even before I went schooling here. And I kind of remained part of the SPC community since then. Ano pa talaga yung values? For most of us, we might have a different set of values depending on how we were raised in the environment na nagpalaki sa atin. And we are fortunate that SPC raised us to have a certain set of values that we were honed to stick to. Not just when we are inside the school, but lalo na when we are outside of the school. I spoke to a graduating class several months ago. It's a test of character. Once you step out of San Pablo Colleges, it is a test of character, which is very much intertwined with values. In the face of power, in the face of money and influence, would you choose to sell yourself for comfortable things? We are not made for comfort. We are made for greatness. Now, big words yon. It is challenging for us to choose to stick with your values, to stick with what is right, to stick with what is right according to how you were raised, according to your set of values. We sometimes laugh at a government that says we go daang matuwid. Nabaliktad na nga ang mundo that those who would strive to stick to their values are being laughed at. Pinagtatawanan yung mga taong pinipiling maging matuwid, which is very, very challenging in these days. These values are quite important, because yung individual set of values natin would have a great effect sa malawakang pamayanan na ating ginagalawan. But more important than that, it has an effect sa mga susunod na generations. We cannot give what we do not have. If we do not have values, or if we choose to abandon our values, anong ipapamana natin sa mga anak natin? So, mahalaga yun. The things that were mentioned, faith, love, righteousness, has a big effect on someone's set of values. As Christians, there is a question: what would Jesus do? Faced in a difficult scenario, what would Jesus do? And probably other creeds would have the same question: is this something that my faith would allow? These set of values determine how we act. Mahalaga yon sa buhay natin pang araw-araw, even in the most ordinary things of daily life. In conclusion, this is something that I usually insert when I have a chance to speak to a group of people. Lagi kong sinasabi, madaling magpakabait, mahirap magpakabuti. Sometimes we forget the difference. That there is a major difference between pagpapakabait and pagpapakabuti. Iba yung hinihingi ng pagpapakabuti. Pagpapakabuti demands us to live the values that we were taught, that we were encouraged to embrace from childhood until it's time for us to pass on the traits, to teach others, to help our children have the same set of values. So probably this is a challenge to current SPCNs and those who have passed through the gates of SPC like me as we celebrate 80 years of San Pablo Colleges of Virtus, Patria, and Ciencia, Virtus being the first. And if you go back to the seal, Virtus is at the base of the triangle. It's not the other one. It's the foundation of everything. Virtus is the foundation of Patria and Ciencia, of love of country and love of knowledge. So without Virtus, Patria and Ciencia would have no anchors. We can be the best makabayans. We can be very loyal to our countries. We have the thirst to serve our country, but without Virtus, probably will be a problem for Patria. And without Virtus, Ciencia, no matter how smart we think we are, would lose its base, it would lose its moral compass. So everything has to be grounded with Virtus. The challenge is to celebrate these 80 years, to not forget Virtus. It might be the smallest, it might be a small part, but it's the basis of everything that we do. It's the basis of pagpapakabuti as SPCians then and now.
To Mr. Jerome K. Tombaradas, thank you for inspiring us to live with purpose, integrity, and compassion. And to all SPCians, may his story encourage us to embrace the values of Virtus and strive to make a positive impact in our own unique ways. Together, let's continue building a legacy rooted in faith and excellence.